Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing a video all about my nighttime routine with a toddler when my husband is not home. If you want to see how we do it in my house, stick around. The first thing I do is usually cook dinner. Tonight I'm doing a very simple dinner because I wasn't hungry and my husband wasn't home, so I'm just making a quick meal of chicken nuggets, macaroni and cheese, and some veggies for Jack. So as the oven is heating up, I am just picking up my kitchen, doing the dishes and cleaning up a little bit. You're also going to see me fold some towels in a little bit, so just kind of picking up and try to get ahead of the game so there's less to do right before bed. Up the living room. I pick up toddler toys and dog toys probably about 100 times a day, but I just do this after Jack's pretty much done playing for the day. Just pick it up, clean up the living room, just make it look nice. I don't like waking up in the morning to a messy living room. It just starts my day off better if the room is clean. And yes, I am moving the couch because with 3 large dogs, they do roughhouse a lot, so they do end up jumping on the couch, and the couch does end up moving throughout the day, so I do have to actually physically move the couch almost every day. Also have toddlers that just love to dump their plates and just throw their food everywhere. If you do and you have learned how to prevent it or learned how to stop them, please let me know. He just refuses to use a plate. I do during my nightly routine is actually cook dinner for my oldest dog. Yes, my dog. She is diabetic, so I have to cook her meal every morning and night. So I typically just scramble some eggs, and she eats it with some white rice. Her stomach is very sensitive, and due to the diabetes and stuff, she is on a limited diet, so I typically switch it up between rice and eggs and rice and chicken. Did you enjoy your dinner? Oh, no? Can you say hi? That's not hi. Say hi. Was that King? You goofy goober. The next thing we do is bath time. So he absolutely loves the bath. When he hears it turn on, he runs. And so does little Lucy. I had to cut our bath time clip a little short because I don't need Jack exposed in the video. But the next step is just coming in and lotioning him and getting him ready for bed. I started using the Johnson's Honey Apple Baby Lotion, and if you haven't tried that, it smells so good, and it just works so well for Jack. And yes, he is standing while I lotion him. Does anybody else's toddler refuse to lay down anymore? He does not like to lay down when I lotion him. He tries to fight me when I change his diaper. It's kind of crazy, so I've learned how to put diapers on and everything standing up. So yeah.
Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
Now it's time to clean his room. I only pick up his room at night before bed, and I swear during the day he doesn't even play. I think that he makes it his mission to destroy his room as much as possible, so I have more to clean up. I really need to go through his toys and declutter. I haven't got that far yet. So he does have a lot of toys, but it doesn't take me too long to actually pick up his room at the end of the day. I think less than 10 minutes roughly. It's just sitting down and actually doing it is the hard part.
You grow. Don't let it get to you. You're better than you know. My heart was dead and broken, but now it's found a home.
While I'm picking up his room, you can't see him. He's actually laying in his crib. I believe tonight was a little bit of a later night, so it was probably about 7:30, and Jack tends to lay down at about 7 o'clock and relax and unwind after the day. So he does just kind of relax, and he'll watch a little bit of TV before bed, and that's just his time to relax. So I don't have it in this video, but I do come in after I finish cleaning the kitchen, and I give Jack some milk, and I kind of just spend a little bit of time with him right before bed, and he just relaxes. And here he is. Does anybody else's toddler like chew on their crib? Because he does. Thing I do in my nighttime routine is just clean up the kitchen after dinner and get it just all ready for the next day. It's the same kind of thing with the living room. I don't like coming out to a messy kitchen. It's just nice when your house is clean when you wake up. So this is the last thing that I do in my nighttime routine, except for my very own routine, you know, before bed, the shower, the relaxing time. I can also do that video of my skincare routine, just how I unwind during the night. If you do want to see that, please let me know down in the comments. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel.